Coach Chatta here, also known as Priscilla Shawy. Today's tip of the day: making a blog. It is essential to have a blog if you want to be seen out there. In whatever website that you do, whatever business, you have to have something out there showing what you are doing in your daily tips of the day. And now, besides making a blog, you have to get optimized, as I'm putting together my blog right now. SEO. And I'm trying to do the SEO as best as I can. So, making that blog, that will get you seen. If you're not, nobody can see your website. Nobody can see your business. So, at least make the blog. But, optimize your business. That is your tip of the day. I mean, in order for you to make your business run right, make sure you're at least optimized. But the blog will also show your fans, showing them that you're serious and that you want to put up a blog showing them daily tips and how to optimize and also have people following you. So in other words, it's free traffic. That's what you're getting. So my tip of the day, my solution would be join whatever business that you want. But make sure you have a community. You have mentors. You have coaches. You have webinars behind you. But they're really going to show you. Because that's what I did. I really looked into the business. And that's why I'm here. Telling you daily tips. And get optimized. I mean, yeah, you can go on Facebook, share groups and all that. But are you really seen by the search engines? Like Bing, Yahoo, Google? I am. So that's my daily tip. Get yourself optimized. But join a community like I did. And you're learning marketing the right way. So click on the link above and join. Join for just $1. And you'll find out strategies you've never known. And really work your business right. Bye now. This is Coach Chatta saying bye. You have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.